Here is how to add a contact in Xero step by step. Begin by signing into your Xero account. Once you are in, look to the top navigation bar, select Contacts, then choose the area that fits the type of contact you want to create. You can open Customers, Suppliers, or All Contacts. Any of these paths will take you to the Contacts area, so use the one that matches how you plan to use this record. When the Contacts page opens, move to the top right corner and click New Contact. This opens the contact form, where you will enter the details you want Xero to store for this person or business. Start with the name field. Enter the contact name as you want it to appear throughout Xero. This is the main identifier for the record, so it is worth checking the spelling before moving on. If you use account numbers to organize contacts, you can also enter an account number here. That field is optional, but it can help with identification if you manage a large list of customers or suppliers. Next, go to the primary person section. Enter the contact's first name, last name, and email address. If there is more than one person associated with this contact, click Add another person and enter the additional details there. This is useful when you need more than one point of contact saved under the same account. After that, continue through any other sections you want to complete. On the left side of the form, you will see areas for more information. You can add addresses, phone numbers, financial details, sales defaults, or purchase defaults, depending on what you want to keep on file. Fill in the sections that matter for this contact and leave any others blank if you do not need them right now. As you move through the form, make sure the information is entered in the correct section. That matters most for details like billing information, purchasing settings, and contact methods, since those can affect how the record is used later in invoices, bills, and other transactions. Before saving, review everything you entered. Check the contact name, the primary person details, and any optional fields you added. This is the point to catch typing errors or missing information before the record is created. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Xero will create the new contact and return you from the form. The contact is now added to Xero and available to use when creating invoices, bills, purchase orders, quotes, and other transactions.